What up, YouTube? Desert Air Dudes here, out at the field yet again today. Kelly's not here today, so I've got Kelly's surrogate, Curtis, here with me. Say hi, Curtis.
How's it going, guys? We are out here at the field about ready to tear some stuff up and do some pretty cool crashes and yeah, exactly. Bad juju. I only
everybody always yells at Kelly for saying for suggesting crashes might happen.
I figured because I was surrogating in for him that I would be like, hey, you're gonna crash.
We're gonna
crash. Hey, since you crashed, can I have your landing gear?
No.
I'm just playing. Kelly's our dude, man. He's awesome. But yeah, good stuff.
Yeah, so stay tuned.
Yeah, exactly.
Desert Air Dudes out. So Chuck's got the HSD Me-262 Twin 90. That's a pretty airplane.
Yeah, it is.
What does this fly on?
12S.
12S. Well, that's a nice controller there too.
You can actually, it's in parallel. You could fly it. You could fly it on 6S, but your flight time would be nothing.
Here we go. Chuck's got his 262.
Got the brakes on her and everything.
Brakes and everything. Wow.
You still have it on switch?
Still have it on that one.
Your bind button, huh?
Yeah. All right, here we go. Taking off right to left.
I brought all the colors.
Oh, that sounds good.
That did that all by itself.
Well, you don't,
Like that snap.
hey, you definitely don't want it doing things on its own. That thing is fast. Brakes for the win.
Wow. And that's what we can do about that.
That thing's got some speed to it, Ben. Turns out it's hard to follow fast airplanes. Go figure. Looks nice.
Once I figured out how to level the plane, that one retracts, then it flies. Yeah.
Takes you 8 weeks to get it.
Very nice. Nice scale details on that thing. Without reverse.
Yes, it does.
So you got this little UMX slash not really UMX.
Yeah, it's like a large UMX.
They say it's not a UMX, but it's a UMX.
Yeah.
Same servos.
They call it a micro.
You're right, yeah.
To me, micro is smaller than a UMX.
Right?
It's like that little thin plastic film cover one.
Mm-hmm.
That's a micro.
Right. Cool little airplane, man.
Yeah.
They did a really good job with the detail on this thing.
Oh, yes.
The maiden flight on this little tiny Draco,
Yeah.
micro Draco.
Here we go.
Super cool that it's got functional flaps for such a small airplane.
Right. Yeah, ready. Taking off.
Well, that
Looks like it flies real nice.
yeah.
Yay! Successful maiden.
Hey, it survived the first flight. I had to go play with it.
What's up, YouTube? So we're done flying for the day. There's Curtis being weird.
Nah, man, we were robbed.
Got windy.
This wind is just insane in the membrane.
No, I'm not mad at the wind. You know, the flying in the wind, it builds skills and it's a bunch of fun.
It is. It really is. I just like to cry a lot. That's why they call me Curtis the Crybaby Kid Rig.
Do they?
No, I don't know, man. That's fine. You know how when you do drone racing and you put your little call tag in there? That's what mine would be, Crybaby. It's not fair.
It doesn't work right.
It doesn't work. No, I'm just playing. But today was actually fun.
Yeah, man. Desert Air Dude's out.
Up and down because one rig does everything. Safe doesn't change the rig.
Well, you can have more control with that.